we never thought of we're gonna come this side, New Jersey side of view to the New York.
We're gonna come here again.
My goodness, such a big door here. We were looking for. We have reached here. This is the view from. My goodness. And this is the Statue of Liberty. Because this is the lady, actual Statue of Liberty lady. This is New Jersey this side, and this is New York this side.
And this is Sanvi. And make me.
Hello, good morning. And this is Twinsy girl here. Two girls are
Papa, we now have
matching.
pants.
Okay.
We have shades.
So,
And now today we are going to Statue of Liberty.
So we're going to
Green Statue of Liberty.
Yeah.
really?
Yeah.
Okay.
And it
And
will be
someone's
very.
going to take us. First, we're going to eat some breakfast.
Yeah. Today we will head down to eat some breakfast,
Ah,
and we'll meet you there.
okay.
Yes.
So we are going
So
to
we're going
Statue of
meet-
Liberty as
so
she
we're going
said.
to meet you over there.
And
so we're going to see
it's
the
morning
wall
time,
over
8 a.m. and we are going to have some
Down.
breakfast and
Can
Daddy
we
is gonna
down?
come
Down?
and welcome to our channel.
Can we do down?
Dad is coming right now.
Down? Down? I pressed the first.
Wow. So she's saying, okay, she's like expert.
Matching.
Yes, we are matching all together.
We, mom say we need to make all blue together because we're going to do like this style.
Why we are wearing blue? Tell me. What is the
Because
reason?
Statue of Liberty have blue too.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay. So let's go here.
I saw something donuts.
Donuts?
Let's keep that down.
We'll take it. We'll take it. Some bagels. This is
Wait, I want some bagels.
sweet roll. We don't have any. This is a
Wait, what is this?
this is cinnamon roll.
Joe, I think that's
Cinnamon roll. What do you have?
Biscuits. Biscuits and biscuits.
Yeah, take one.
Take one.
Hi guys, good morning. And we're having breakfast together, right?
I want water.
What are you eating? You want to try this egg?
I already tried it. I already tried it.
This is for you, okay?
I already tried it.
You already tried this?
And this is cold.
And this is our breakfast and coffee and this.
Can I eat it?
What are you eating, son?
I am eating
The jam?
yeah, jam, jelly and jam.
Jelly and
Hey, can I put this in a fridge? In our room?
yeah, we
In
can.
fridge.
She's confused. So this is like
I love
we are
this one.
eating. Let me try this oat one.
And I'm trying yogurt.
Okay. Good. Wow. Enjoying the lunch, the breakfast? Michelle, you enjoying the breakfast?
I have this.
You want to try something? Okay, let me try this. Already tried this. Good breakfast in the morning. After breakfast,
Okay, now
We
we're
got
going to
some
put this in
muffin and
home.
yogurt.
Now we're going.
where's my coffee? This is my coffee actually.
And I'm going to put it over here.
After that, we'll see you at Statue of Liberty, okay? So let's go. Excited for that? Okay. So we have reached here next to the ferry section, and you can see this is view from New Jersey side to the New York. So we are going to catch the ferry from this area. So this is Liberty State Park, New Jersey. You have
You know, I heard that I heard that the Statue of Liberty was gift from Paris.
gift from
Not
Paris?
I mean France.
Really? Yes,
Yeah, it
yes,
was,
you're right.
Yeah.
So they gifted from France, you're right. Misha, You can see the little hurt on her face.
Yeah, I also
And-
have 127 matching.
Yes. Misha, where are you going now? Huh? Huh? They want to see. Oh, little windy today, but weather is nice. Ah.
न्यूयॉर्क से यहाँ आते हैं इस तरफ व्यू देखने के लिए पूरा न्यूयॉर्क दिख रहा है.
Ah. You can
Go to that building, the big building.
She's literally dancing. We never thought of we're gonna come this side. This is the New Jersey's view from the New Jersey side of view to the New York.
We're gonna come here again.
Hey,
Okay.
I recorded too.
So we have to go this line
Yeah. Or
to
should
the
I-
ferry. Let's go that side. So we're going to enter in security check.
Yeah.
So this is a security area. You don't need to bring these items here. So let's go for security screening. They're in security screening, right? So we came out from the security screening. This
They say
area.
it's like airport check.
Ah.
In airport, you have to take off your shoes and everything.
Ah.
Your earrings.
Ah.
It's like sharp and
So let's go. After the security check, we're going to catch our ferry, but we have to wait in line. Till then, we can share with you this amazing view from here. You can see. Let me take a little shot. We were there yesterday.
Yeah, that's where it's more.
Near to Times Square. You already saw that vlog. So if you want to see each and every part of this New York City visit, you have to follow from the first part. So you will feel like it's whole visit to the New York. Those who want to come here, they can get the information from this videos, the whole series of New York series. So let's go. We have to catch the ferry. The section is so good and the weather is so cloudy here. But yeah,
Super colorful,
Ah.
different lights.
yeah. Maybe we'll take the picture of that thing in night time. So it glows up this area in night time. Look at here. We are next to the ferry and everybody is waiting. And there's a big line back there. Isha is there.
I hope it reaches to the max.
You know, so what you were saying, like we have to come sometimes.
Yeah, once in a while in lifetime. If you are living in America, otherwise no need to come.
So what was the price for the ferry?
I think it's 30 to 40 bucks depending upon you are going for pedestrian or crown access.
Okay. Yeah, whatever your choice, it depends on you. So yeah, let's go there. So I will mention they are down there. So how much if you're looking for the prices and all. So I will mention them under this video. So let's go. We're gonna go upstairs. You're gonna go upstairs or like downstairs?
I don't know.
Huh? Let's see.
Wants to go there.
Whatever. Whatever we'll get. Okay, Misha?
Otherwise we need to wait for 1 hour.
Ah, my God. Go to this side. Upstairs. It's full. So see the shops inside. This is various shops, Statue of Liberty and everything. Huh? Let's go this side. Yes. Let's go. Thank God, Sammy, thank God. We got it. Right? Okay, let's go. They can see. This is whole ship is full. This is the view from here.
I mean,
Ah,
at least I got the dog.
so you can see. Statue of Liberty is there. We'll take a round there.
I saw that.
We were just kids still breaking them rules, exchanging head.
We are moving. It's already started.
मुझे लगा
Ah. Woo. We're gonna take a round and we're gonna come back,
Yeah.
right?
yeah.
Ooh, this is the second time, right? Sammy was saying when she was little, the same age, and now this is Richa's first time. Ah, it's so fun here.
Our first day was singing to the band train, and I knew I found the one. And now you're here, standing right in front of me, holding my hand.
Sing.
We are going to that big building, that tallest building.
You mean Empire State?
Yes.
That's Empire.
Yeah. And what else? What else? You were saying this is New Jersey this side, and this is New York this side. You can see. This is the Statue of Liberty. Wow, awesome. You cannot even take picture when you are nearby, but you can take the whole view from here.
Devil, Statue of Liberty, King. Do you see that one?
So now this is our first stop. We're gonna head down this area. We're gonna head down this area. This is like museum or something. What is that? So we're gonna get down. We'll see what's there. What's that? So this is actually the National Museum of Immigration.
Wait, so what if we stay on here? Oh.
So many people get off from this ship. So like, but we're not gonna go in the museum. So we are waiting here, right? So we'll go to the next stop, which is the Statue of Liberty stop. So we'll wait. So if you want to get off, you can go there to visit. It's up to you. Like, but if you don't want, you can stay there and you can go to the Statue of Liberty stop. So you can see so many visitors here, like school, colleges, like people, like whatever. They are coming in groups and all. So this is our ferry.
Yeah.
Ah, yes, she's taking also video. And this is another ferry is coming up. This is New York, Miss New York. What's the name of our ferry? Remember?
Miss New Jersey.
Miss New York. Now we are leaving this island, and this was our island here, and now we are moving to the Statue of Liberty Island there.
Tied in yours for all the world to see. I can't wait to spend my life with you by my side, 'cause you and I just
So finally we reached our Statue of Liberty Island. This is the Statue of Liberty. We have to get down now, and this ship is leaving from here. So you can see such a big ship, Statue of Liberty, right? Bye, 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 bye.
Biden.
Now we came down. We came out from this area after ferry ride to the Statue of Liberty Island, and now we are going to see how the Statue of Liberty looks like from near.
Miss Freedom. The name of the.
So our ship was Miss Freedom. So we're just going there. You remember, Sanvi, when we were you were little, we came this side to eat something, and this is the same thing, like from last. And they never changed nothing. Everything is same. right? After a long time, even not even a single thing. Everything is same. This is the rest area. We'll come back here.
And I knew I found the one. And now you're here, standing.
See where we can go up there. We have to go this side. This middle part where you can see the people there. So we have to go this area to the top. Yes. So we have to take stairs there. So we are taking our locker. We are putting stuff there. We are putting stuff, and now we have to close it. And we use 25 cents here. Yeah. So if you want to put some stuff here, like we have to take locker, we have to use quarters. So you can see.
154, right?
We have to go upstairs. So after second security.
Hard hats.
Huh?
Hard hats.
Yes. So let's go to the top. Not to the top, like in between to the Statue of Liberty, right? You excited, Sanvi? We've never been there this time. This time we are going there to see. So we have to go this door. My goodness, such a big door here. So this is pedestal to and crown. To pedestal and crown, you have to go this way.
195.
So we have to go like to the upstairs to that area. So we have two options, like steps and elevators, whatever you want to choose. So if you want to go, there's whatever you choose. So let's go. So this is the line for elevator. So we're taking steps. Sanvi told us to do the steps. So our stairs start from here. Right. Oh. I hope you're not gonna get tired, right? Huh, Misha? How many stairs? 176. Oh my god. Oh my god. Ah. We shall have to take a break. So if you're not taking like elevator in the beginning, so there is no option after that.
I know.
So good exercise. So whatever you want to choose, like elevator or stairs, you have to choose in the beginning. So yeah, let's go. We have some more to go. So where are you? 67 more steps to go. Oh. This is another fun. Oh. Let's go. Huh. Oh God, this is. Huh. Okay, so this is the area we were looking for. We have reached here. Wow! Wow! This is the view from we at this place after a long time. Oh.
Higher?
Ah. No, we cannot go higher.
I'll go higher.
Huh?
No,
That's not for us.
come here, I'll show you. Come.
I'm making.
So you can see, my goodness, and this is the Statue of Liberty. You can see, and this is the down area view. Wow, awesome view from here. How are you feeling, Sanvi?
I'm not even tired.
No, not tired?
I always walk.
Sanvi was saying like, let's go by stairs. So we chose that one, okay?
Yeah, and I'm gonna go down by stairs. That's gonna be my
So, yes.
So,
Misha is making video. And this is the
Now
main front view of the Statue of Liberty. Aisha is taking view from on Daddy's lap, right? After a long time spent here, now we're going downstairs. Sammy, come on. Wow.
New Jersey.
This is the other side of this area. This is back side, I think. Yeah. This is the actual view from here. And Sanvi, you're relaxing now?
Yeah, we're gonna go now.
We are tired. So you can see this is the awesome view. We were there last time at that track. But if you're taking access of that area, so this is the area when we were there, up there. So if you're taking that access, then you can come this area, which is very good, which is next to the like Statue of Liberty. So you have to must try this one. Looking so matching all together. So we thought of like we're gonna see the Statue of Liberty in like combination, you know, like matching. We are all matching together. So we came to the museum of this Statue of Liberty. Museum, the image exploited, and you can see so many information you can get from here. This is all like they're showing up the things, and you can see this is the lady, actual Statue of Liberty lady. This is the real face. So this is all monuments they have created here, and they kept that statues here. Statue in popular culture. And what is that? This is a real note from hers. Yeah, this is the museum. Raising dollars, and there's so many information you can get in New York World Bartholomew Pedestrian Fund. So this is the actual thing. You can find the information about the Statue of Liberty, major repairs and improvements from 1886 to 1962. They did so many things. They did. So this is actually the parts of the Statue of Liberty. You can see the whole parts from top to bottom.
Very deep inside.
So everything detailed things they have given here.
Oh, look at that. And the stairs we went up.
This is the beginning. 1881, 1881, 1882, 1882, and 83, 84.
So This was the beginning. This is the starting.
Misha, go. Let's go. We have to go down there. Let's go.
Oh, I thought you have to use the card.
No card. So this,
Oh, then you need to
we're gonna get something to,
Grab the bags first.
yeah, bags first. What are you drinking, guys? Misha, Sanvi, what are you drinking? Smoothies.
But
This
it's
is
like
Miss Sanvi.
ice.
Misha,
There's
smoothie.
much ice in there.
The weather is so beautiful here. So quiet, not too much rush. It's Thursday today, I think. Yesterday was Friday. Oh, sorry. Yesterday was Wednesday, and now today is Thursday. Lucky here, Sanvi? Misha?
That's this for you.
And what you're getting? What are you getting?
Lemonades.
Wow. This is a popcorn. Want to try lemonade?
Wait.
So after refreshment, we came here to the Statue of Liberty Museum. Million of pictures in Statue of Liberty. Wow, our picture is here now.
Again.
The like memorable moment we are enjoying together.